Alright, so, and then the box moved and the belt fell off. Alright, so, the belt is in place. This is the ammeter. I got all the load shut off, so that's 0. And then I'm not sure why I'm not reading. Oh, and of course, as soon as I move this, I run into issues. Okay, I think we're good to go now. Oh, and then I check the tripod. It's a day. So, the 540 brush Mabuchi, I don't know why I can only read AC voltage on this, but it's reading a 5 volt AC. When I switch to our DC scale, it doesn't read. So I don't know if this is a bad meter, because it is a cheap meter. There we go. So, as you can see, free we're getting about 6 volts on the AC scale. And that's one resistor in. We're on the 20 milliamp scale, so that's 2.4 milliamps. And it goes up to 4.7 and all the way to 6 milliamps in this setup. So I'm going to have to double check the wiring in my box here, because I was definitely getting more from the other setup with the flat belt. Although I don't know how much slippage I'm getting with... Yeah, this belt is slipping quite a bit, because when the engine quit, it just... So I will have to see about reducing the slippage for this belt, because the teeth are the main driver on it. And of course it's a smooth belt otherwise. So I think showing that this works was good, and then I'll have to get a plan So it did flood out. Alright. Alright. Actually, while we're here and moving stuff, I am going to restart this and come back with the belt on a different one of the motors in the box.